Place a soap in the toilet bowl and you will be thankful forever. Place a soap in the toilet bowl to prevent waste from sticking to the edges, and you'll appreciate the cleanliness, especially after you've just cleaned the bathroom. But do not worry, today I will teach you a very easy, fast, and cheap trick to keep your toilet clean and prevent waste from sticking to the edges. To start, we will take a soap that preferably has a scent. You can choose the soap brand you prefer. This trick can be done in 2 ways, and now I will show you so that you can choose the one that suits you best. The first option to perform this trick is with a mask or mouth cover. With the help of scissors, we are going to cut a part of the end of the mouth cover. Then we insert the soap, and with the cut band, we wrap and secure the mask. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to be able to send you a greeting in a future video. Today's special greeting goes out to John, who is watching us from Switzerland. We can also do this with a deteriorated sock or one in poor condition that we no longer use. With the help of scissors, we will cut one end of the sock as follows. And in the same way as the previous method, we insert the soap inside and then tie a knot to the sock. It should look something like this. Now let's go to the toilet to try both methods. First, we will remove the lid from the toilet. The next thing you should do is insert the sock inside and wrap it in one of the tubes. Now we will try the second way with the soap inside the mask. As with the previous method, you must insert the soap inside the mask and wait about 5 or 10 minutes. After this time, you can flush the toilet. The soap will mix with the water and will make it very soft when you flush the toilet. This slimy mixture will coat the toilet walls, ensuring that no residue adheres. It will also give a scented smell to the bathroom, keeping it fresh and fragrant. If you made it this far, leave soap emojis so that Osseo knows you saw the full video.